Hello everybody. So today we are looking for some worms because I just set up my birdhouse and I want to give them a little treat to attract the birds to come through. So I saw some worms here. Oh yeah, Alexa. A few of these worms. Sorry, worms. Yeah. Since the saying goes, early bird gets the worm. Okay. So we have the worms and we have the birdhouse. So that's the birdhouse. It's already set up and ready for the birds to come through. We'll leave these little snacks for them, and whoever comes in first will be the lucky winner of the worms. So we have the worms. I'll put them inside the hole. So this is how it'll look inside. That's the little home. And now we just wait for the first few birdies to come through. Put birdhouse in order.